and today I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to review another baby diaper that's in the market, and this has been recently launched by Pampers, the Pampers Premium Pants, Premium Care Pants. And today we are going to review the Pampers Premium Care Pants here for babies. And what I have here is the XL size, which is basically extra large for babies weighing 12 kgs to 17 kgs. So today we are going to review the Pampers Premium Care Pants for you. So let's get down to the review of the product. These are the Pampers Premium Care Pants, and this is the XL size. And let's start off with the packaging. It comes in this light blue color packaging here, and here is the Pampers branding right on top, and the name of the product, which is Premium Care Pants. It is shown like a 5-star premium care it provides, and right on top here it says cotton like softness. Here is the size given, which is XL. This is the size that I purchased for my daughter, which is 12 to 17 kgs, extra large. These Pampers are derma tested, and this is a pack of 11 pants. It has air channels to keep the bottoms airy. It contains lotion with aloe vera, which will keep it smooth, like it will help keep the baby's bottom smooth and won't be like keep it safe from rashes. So right here on the sides you can see again the Pampers branding, Premium Care Pants. Open here, this is where you need to tear it open from. This is the XL size, which is 12 to 17 kgs, and you also get a double XL size, which is 15 to 25 kgs. Moving on the back of the pack, again we can see the Pampers Premium Care branding here. And then the features of the Pampers Premium Care have been mentioned here. It comes with a flexible waistband, all around soft belt for our most comfortable fit, cotton like softness, selected materials for extreme softness on your baby's skin. It has a disposable tape. After a change, fold the pants and seal with the tape for easy disposal. So it comes with a disposable tape as well. These Pampers come with an air channel, which allow airflow to baby's skin for breathable dryness. It also has a wetness indicator, which turns blue to show when your baby wets his diaper and when it's time to change. Right below that there is a how to use. So they're shown how to use. First step is basically stretch it with your hands, and then put it for your baby. Second step is to just tear it open and remove it and fold it up, and you can tape it up and dispose it. So this was the information here. Coming to the net quantity is 11. This is a pack of 11 diaper pants, and the MRP is the same as ₹299. So guys, let's go ahead and open the Pampers Premium Care Pants for babies. Let's go ahead and open it. And we have opened the diaper pack right now, and let's pick out one diaper. And we have picked out one diaper, and it really feels very soft and nice. The diaper pants have a very nice and soft feel to it. So guys, this is the Pampers Premium Care diaper pants, which has a very nice cottony like feeling to it, and it has a nice waistband, like stretchable waistband here. And kind of design, it has the geometrical shapes design on it. It says front side, and then on the back it says the size is XL, and this is a disposable tape that they are given here, which you can attach. And then the main feature is here, this yellow line turns blue, which is a wetness indicator, which tells you how wet the diaper is. So once this line is blue, that means it's time to change the diaper. So yes, that's a part of it. And then there are these air channels that are there in the diaper, which allow for air to pass in and keep the baby skin dry. So very stretchy diaper. It has a nice soft waistband, which is also soft. Like actually feeling it, it's very soft, unlike the other diaper pants which are available in the market. let's look at the inner side of the diaper right now. So guys, this is the inner side of the diaper, and this is the pad which comes in, which is gel infused pad which soaks up all the urine and keeps the baby's bottles dry all the time. So yeah, it has a very nice soft cottony feel to it, which is amazing. So overall, the quality of this Pampers Premium Care pants is definitely very premium and better than the previous Pamper pants or any other Pamper pants available in the market. So this is really amazing. I really like the quality of it. Definitely, it will be a good product for kids to use. So yeah, so overall, this is an amazing product from Pampers, the Premium Care pants. And if you all want to purchase it, I have left the link in the description below. You can buy it from the Amazon there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.